So one thing, Steve, I've seen a lot is the headlines around manufacturing is growing, but at the same time, we can all see costs are rising, and we hear that from our customers and prospects. What recommendations do you have for manufacturers to be better managing for costs and ultimately for margins?
Well, I think one of the things that's interesting is a lot of companies don't really know where they're making the money. You often hear the phrase, the grass is always greener on the other side. But in my years working across multiple industries, we still receive the response, we don't really know when we ask that question, which customers are you actually making money from? So here, the main area that we look at is the challenge of achieving the panacea of item level traceability, which is effectively trying to break down your cost of goods sold right down to the customer order level to say, right, customer has paid X, it costs Y, what is my margin on that single order? Now, that's obviously very hard. There are lots of challenges from aggregated assembly issues, sub-assembly decoupling, so you can actually break down the costs. You might have mixed mode manufacturing or mixed mode inventory, and also legacy systems that they don't help you in that process. So we tend to work with clients to simplify across the data, across the SKUs, and all the other structures within the business, optimize processes, improve compliance, certainly with suppliers, and then look at enabling technology. So it's really a lot of factors that come down to trying to simplify and get to that whole panacea of item level traceability. That's quite a hard task to do. It does take quite a lot of work, but alongside other aspects that we talked about on SKU simplification and other parts, that overall simplification does make it easier to then start tracking those